welcome back to True Telos Trading. Today is August 8th, 2025. It's the last trading day of the week, and we have a green day. We traded another stock that was A quality according to our True Telos Trading grading scale. Let's go ahead and get into that trade. The ticker of the stock that we traded this morning was MRM. Again, today is August 8th, 2025. The stock did not have breaking news this morning, but it did have news on the stock that was less than 24 hours old. This would be a 1. The stock's float was below 10 million. This would be a 2. It was trading above the daily 200 moving average, so this would be a 2. It was up over 50% this morning. This would be a 1. By the time we bought the stock, it was close to $2.20. It was very close to that. I'll give you the exact number when we move into the chart. So this will be a 1. And it was the number 1 stock this morning when we traded it. So this would also be a 1. It was not at all-time highs. This would be a 0. If we add all of these numbers up, that will give us a score of 8. And if we go down here to our True Telos Trading grading scale, if it's a score from 8 to 10, it is an A quality stock. So again, this is an A quality stock according to the True Telos Trading grading scale. So let's go ahead and get into the trade of the day. This was the stock that we traded this morning, MRM. We used a strategy that we haven't used so far. It is called first 5-minute new high strategy. So it basically sounds just like what it is. I'll go ahead and go to the 5-minute chart because I think that will better describe how we went ahead and made this trade this morning. So what I was looking at, we had one stock that was a penny stock. It was about 15 to 18 cents. It was our number 1 stock this morning. But according to my True Telos Trading grading scale, that stock was an F. It only scored a 5 on the True Telos Trading grading scale, but it was the number 1 stock this morning. MRM was actually number 2. I traded it on the 5-minute, and I'll go back to the 1-minute in this area here. So I woke up. It was about 5 o'clock, 5:15. The stock was going down a lot this morning. And why was it going down if it was rated at 8 on my True Telos Trading grading scale? Well, if you see a penny stock going up from like 12 cent to more than 15, 16, 17 cent, those stocks have a lot of volume. They have a lot of volume because they are really cheap. Individuals love to buy stocks that are very, very cheap because they can get more bang for their buck. They can buy thousands and thousands of shares. So that stock was number 1 according to some individuals. They were buying it hoping for it to move a little bit higher, but I decided to be patient and wait for the stocks that are rated A quality on the True Telos Trading rating scale to pop up, because once the volume or once the hype of those stocks go down, that is when these stocks tend to go up. And that's exactly what happened this morning. So I was looking at this stock in this area, waiting for that volume to come in, waiting for individuals to come in and buy this stock. So the high of this candle that I'm looking at here is $2.08. And you see this candle down here, this big green candle, that is a lot of volume coming in. This came in right when that stock this morning lost its hype. People then moved to the second best stock, which was my stock rated in 8 on my True Telos Trading grading scale. So as soon as this stock hopped up on this volume here, approximately 300,000 shares, and it surpassed the previous candle of $2.08, that's when I started looking for trades on this stock. So again, the strategy was first 5 minutes to make a new high. This was our first 5-minute candle to make a new high from the 208 all the way up here. Let's go back to our 1-minute chart. So again, this is where I traded it down here. So I was able to buy shares coming up this stock. Let's see how many shares I was able to buy. I was able to buy 580 shares of this stock at $2.15, and I did that right at 6 o'clock. So right up here, I was able to buy it at $2.15. Let's go ahead and mark that off. Now, I wish I would have held for it to make that break. This spot that I marked off here was the next resistance on the daily. As you see, it went right up to it before it retraced. It went right up to that resistance and retraced. But I sold my position before that. This red line that I have marked here is called VWAP, the volume weighted average price. And individual traders, this is a uh, a support and resistance level that everyone uses. So, I saw the price reject off of that VWAP. I was thinking that, that was it. That's all the pump that I'm going to get. So I sold the position up here. How much did I sell it for? I was able to sell that position for $2.19. So I got 4 cents of profit off of this trade. 4 cents of profit off of 580 shares is $23.08. Um, that is a very good trade. I stuck to those rules. I got out. That first sign of that resistance at VWAP was my exit indicator. I got out with profit. Today was a profitable day, sticking to the strategies and sticking to the True Telos trading grading scale when it comes to trading A quality stocks. And that is True Telos trading. This is the end of the week. It's been a pretty good week. We were able to make $130 so far, or no, not so far, just this week period. That is a very good week on our account. We are steadily growing our account, sticking to our strategies of True Telos trading, and I hope to continue this in the future. If you like this content, please don't be afraid to like and subscribe. I have a lot of questions for you guys out there, and I hope you have a lot for me as well. Let's continue this next week, and let's keep on going. Welcome to True Telos Trading.